Welcome to the Entrepreneur Show. Being an entrepreneur is similar to being a professional athlete in the sense that many people want to play the role, but very few have what it takes to make it to the big leagues. It also takes a great deal more than just a predetermined skill set list to make it. Here are 10 things that set entrepreneurs apart from the regular workforce. First, visualize success. Entrepreneurs are great at visualizing success, due in part to pure drive and determination, along with the fact that there are so many positive role models to draw inspiration from. Entrepreneurs naturally believe that anything is possible. Second, understands self-worth. Most individuals would consider their savings account or the stock market their biggest investment. An entrepreneur knows that they are their biggest investment and are not afraid to reinvest in themselves. 3. Not afraid of competition. Entrepreneurs embrace competition. To be the best, you need to compete with the best. Everyone remembers the older kid in the neighborhood that played with the younger kids so he could be the top dog. Where is he today? Probably waiting for 5 o'clock to roll around. 4. Hitting a plateau is not acceptable. A large percentage of the population has set goals and they are satisfied when they reach them. Making a certain amount of money or receiving a specific promotion at work are some examples. An entrepreneur isn't satisfied on a plateau and will constantly work hard to continue to grow in all aspects. Fifth, willingness to learn. Successful entrepreneurs are not afraid to be surrounded by individuals that are more successful than they are. Some individuals might be overcome by jealousy and envy, but an entrepreneur views it as an opportunity for priceless education. The learning phase of entrepreneurship never ends, and class is always in session. 6. Will never quit. In situations where many will quit and face failure, an entrepreneur will continue to accomplish the task he or she set out to complete. Unexpected bumps in the road are challenges that are accepted and ultimately conquered. The word quit doesn't exist in their entrepreneurial dictionary. 7. Accept nothing but perfection. Being involved with something that has moderate success isn't acceptable for an entrepreneur. There isn't a single entrepreneur that wakes up in the morning with the goal of being linked to a moderately successful project. 8. 24/7 work ethic. When asked why I work so much, my response is always the same: because I love it. While many people turn on work mode at 9 a.m. and then flip it off like a switch when 5 p.m. rolls around, an entrepreneur is always focused on the big picture. Entrepreneurs will do whatever it takes to reach specific goals and milestones, even if that means working around the clock. 9. Oozing confidence. Have you ever tried to compliment someone only to have them reply with something along the lines of, "Thanks, but I'm not that great"? Entrepreneurs are the complete opposite, as they ooze confidence. If someone is telling me that my marketing agency did amazing work for their business, I am going to confidently agree with them. 10. Absolutely fearless. An entrepreneur understands that there is an element of risk in everything, whether it involves jumping out of a plane or starting a new business. Without the what ifs and fear getting in the way, it allows for 100% focus on the task at hand. There is no on-off switch for entrepreneur mode. The most successful entrepreneurs eat, breathe, and live it around the clock. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to drop a like and press bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment which topic you'd like to see next video on. Till then, do whatever you want to do, guys. See you soon.